guys, welcome back to the Leonard family. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So today we are going to Cedar Center. I know you don't know that we are going to mall, so we are going to take you guys along so that we shop together. But most of the things we are going to buy is not much. We are going to buy swimming clothes because of my own. I have to change my swimming clothes, and Emily, Favor have, Clay don't have. So we are going to mall to get swimming clothes. We are going for summer holiday, so we are going to enjoy the summer in the pool. So we have to get another new clothes. So let's go together. I'm using my phone today because I don't want to take camera. The kids are already outside, so let's go. Dressed like this, I will ask, even though I don't have mirror. So what I do, I will ask my son here. I will say, do I look beautiful? He say, yeah. If something go wrong, he will tell me, oh, this one is not good, this one is not good. Okay.
Yes.
Say hello.
Hello. Mommy, where are we going? Mommy, where ice cream? Ice cream.
Mommy, I thought you were going to swim suit.
Yeah, I like this trouser.
Mommy, why are we not going ice cream? Ice cream.
So you go outside. So we have to check this side now to see if they have. These are for play.
Mario.
No, it's too small.
It's Lego.
Oh, you take this one.
Lego
No, this one
Ninja.
is too small. 8 years. I like this color, but these are 4 to 6 years. Really?
Mommy, can I go and try the outfit
I
out?
think we wait.
I wear it. I wear it now. After you go.
No, wait.
It's okay. Now I read this one.
The same, but these are.
Get out here. Yeah.
Ew.
Get some clothes for my brother wife, for his son. So I think he's 1 year now. The baby is 1 year now, so a boy.
A boy.
Get this for him.
That one is small. It's 1 year. That one is too big. That one is too big. It's summertime, so I think I just got small one like this. This one is 12 months.
This one.
How old is that one?
2 to 3 years.
I think this one. Check this one.
1.5 and 2 years.
Okay, so I can just look for a t-shirt or 2 handless.
And I go down like this. It said 5 years old and new. It's I am.
Yeah.
1 year
So
old.
because of what I do, deliver, I always get something to them. I did ship something, so first time of seeing the baby, I have to like give her something. Emily. Why are you talking? Clear.
Hoi. Good morning. I speak Spanish. Yeah. I speak Spanish. Okay. I don't speak Spanish. Get off of me.
They are doing sales. So cute. We have to wait for train here. We are done inside the mall. Then we have to come here and just sit down and wait for train. I think 9 minutes from now train will arrive. So guys, I will be ending this video here. What we just get, you will see everything, and yeah, not that much. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. Thank you and bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.